Our boys is at it again. They want a 5-finger discount on a RAM TRX. They gonna try to steal somebody's RAM TRX right out of the driveway. Let's have a reaction to this latest stupid video of these young, dumb Moparians. Why y'all always trying to steal stuff? Check this video out. Yeah, you young Moparians, man, y'all wow. Y'all do not care, man. It's like they don't care. They don't want to work for nothing. Nowadays, it used to be that people would be willing to work for something. Now y'all don't want to work for nothing. They want to get the 5-finger discount. Out there risking their lives just to get a TRX, just so you can try to take it to a car meet, do burnouts, which is hard to do burnouts in a TRX. I'm in a TRX right now, as you can see. But I don't understand why they want. Well, I understand why they want to steal one, because it's quite profitable business. If you really look at it, you could part a TRX out and probably make a good, probably $70,000-$80,000 off of TRX parts. So I can understand why they want to steal them, but the ones that just want to steal them so they can joyride in them and tear them up, I don't get that, man. I really don't understand that. I don't understand what's going on with you young ruffians, man. Y'all just stealing, risking your lives. And the question that I want to know is, how can you fit in that little bitty window back there? Look how little that window is. That thing is so teeny. Let me see if I can open it for y'all. Look how little that is. Look how little that window is. Come on, man. How can anybody fit in a window that little? I don't know how anybody can even fit in something that little. But I guess they can. When you're a determined thief, you can do anything. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this video of these young ruffians trying to steal. How you gonna try to steal somebody's property out of their driveway? Right in the driveway, he jumped right on the back of that TRX and then bust the window. Like, come on, man. Y'all won't work for nothing no more? Y'all won't work for nothing no more? You know what I mean? He could have lost his life. My man, the young man could have lost his life playing with fire like that. He could have lost his life. Somebody, the person in that house could have easily took him out. Whoever that was in that house, he showed that young man mercy. Ain't no way around it. He showed that young man mercy, and that young man should be thanking the Creator that he did not lose his life over that. Because that could have been a disaster. It could have definitely been a disaster. But, man, they got the road closed off over here. That's crazy. I guess I'm going to have to go ahead and squeeze through here. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, y'all young dudes got to stop doing crazy stuff. Y'all got to stop trying to steal people's stuff. People work hard for these vehicles, and they willing to unalive you for these vehicles. And you out here thinking it's a game. When you young, I'm going to say something to you. I know when you young, you think you invincible. You think, man, I live forever. I used to think the same thing. I used to think the same way you young punks think. I used to think, man, I'm invincible. Can't nothing hurt me. I'm impenetrable. I'm a real werewolf. I heal up immediately. And I used to heal up immediately. I don't heal up like that no more. I go play two games of basketball. I'm out for a month. I'm down for a month. And one day you young punks gonna be the same way. Y'all gonna realize that your mortality. Right now you think you immortal. You think, I can't lose. Ain't nothing gonna happen to me. I'm bulletproof. You not bulletproof, young punks. You not bulletproof. And believe me, when them bullets get to flying past you, I know. It's scary. I know. When they get to flying past you, you realize you not immortal. And I know that young man, his life flashed before his eyes. It flashed before his eyes. He couldn't have been no more than $120. 120 pounds fitting through that little window back there. Who you know can fit through a window that small? He couldn't have been no more than $120. $120. Risking your life. And I mean, what was he gonna do? Take it to the chop shop? He probably was gonna take the TRX to the chop shop, get it chopped up, get him a few little ducats. Which I understand, man. When you young, you in the hood, you ain't got no money. You know, you're willing to do some things. You're willing to do some strange things for a little bit of change. And I'm not knocking nobody, because, you know, I was from the hood too. I'm not knocking you for what you got to do. I'm not knocking that. I don't condone it, but I'm not gonna knock it. When you got to do what you got to do, I guess. I mean, you could. Then again, you could just get a job, man. You can get a job. It's okay to work at McDonald's, Burger King, fast food joint. It's okay to go get you a job at Lowe's or something like that. I mean, I just don't get it, man. It's just kind of heartbreaking, but at the same time, you got to kind of understand, but it's still kind of heartbreaking, man. I just wanted to touch bases with y'all, get y'all this video out here real quick. I saw the video. I was like, man, I got to go ahead and speak on this. But yeah, these young punks, they don't care no more. They do not care no more. Well, then again, I can honestly admit I ain't gonna be that old guy, because I mean, I really ain't that old. I'm not no old guy, but what I'm saying is, I used to be young too, and I used to hear older people say, man, y'all be doing crazy stuff. And now look at me saying the same thing that OGs used to say about what I used to do. The same thing. So believe me, I was once in your shoes. It's okay to work. It's okay to have a job. It's okay to not be ripping and running the streets. It's okay. It's nothing wrong with wanting to be an honest person and make some honest money. I know you like, man, shut your old ass up, T-Light. Shut your old ass up, T-Light. Nobody trying to hear what you talk about. I'm trying to get out here and... I just wanted to open it up a little bit. I want to be able to do what you doing, T-Light. I want to get into TRX and speed. I want to do all the stuff that you get to do. I don't speed, son. I don't speed. I don't speed, young lady. But what I'm trying to stress to you is, if you just work hard, you can get it. You can just work hard, you can get. It's the perfect time to get it too. When you're young, get you a nice vehicle. When you're young, you're still living with your parents. It's the perfect time. You know, it's the perfect time. Save your little money up, man. Get you a nice little job. Hopefully, you go to college. You ain't got to go to college to make money. Now, don't get it twisted. I ain't gonna sit there and tell you a lie like a lot of people may tell you. You don't got to go to college to make a lot of money. You just got to know how to hustle. In this day and age, you can make a lot of money on social media. Learn your trade. Become an electrician, CDL driver, computer business technology. It's a lot of things you can do that on your own. You can learn this stuff on your own. But when it comes to stealing these Mopars, come on now. And it's like this is a $100,000 truck. They want $125,000 for a RAM TRX. You think somebody just gonna let you take that out their yard? You think they just gonna let you take that out their driveway? No, they not G'ing for that. They willing to take you. They mean to send you to heaven. Give you your wings, little butterfly. So you gotta stop. Y'all gotta stop doing crazy stuff, man. I ain't want to stretch this video too long. It's already too long as it is. But somebody gotta say it to y'all, man. It's more to the life than somebody gotta be willing to say things to y'all. Cause man, is he gonna stop? Is you gonna stop, bro? Look at this dummy. You gonna stop, bro? Come on, goofy but doofy. But somebody gotta say something to y'all, cause a lot of these YouTubers don't say it. Listen, it's more to life than fast cars and hot women and nice clothes. I did all that stuff. Now I'm looking like, man, that was a waste of money. The women was a waste of time. Most of them a waste of time. Ain't about nothing. Don't really care about you. They just want to be around you because of the things you got. You just, listen, enjoy your life when you're young. I'm not going to take that from none of y'all. You know, I'm not going to take that from none of y'all. Enjoy your life when you're young. But listen, it's more to life than what you think. You'll learn that one day. We all got to get there. I don't want to be that guy, but I am that guy today, man. But y'all stay blessed up and stay safe. We in the big boy TRX. I really don't usually bring it out. It's raining outside, but I figured this video was the perfect video to bring it out because, hell, it's raining outside, and well, why not bring it out? I mean, I'll let y'all see it. I'll let y'all get a quick little walk around. It's wintertime, so it ain't really sitting on them things, you know what I'm saying? I'm planning on getting some big boys, but right now I ain't got no big boy wheels. It's wintertime. It's in the Indiana, so yeah. But I'll give y'all a quick little walk around real quick. Quick little walk around. Private property. I'm trespassing today. I'm trespassing today. Let me see something real quick. Let me show y'all something real quick. Give y'all a quick little walk around, man. It's dirty though, man. Forgive me, it's dirty. The TRX is dirty. I don't drive it. I can't remember the last time I drove it. There we go. Look at that bad boy. Clean too, ain't it? Ooh, look at that thing. You know what I'm saying? Look good too, don't it? Springtime, we're going to put them big boy wheels on it. We got some wheels coming. We're going to put some wheels on it springtime. Creator willing, we're going to get them big boy wheels on it. But it look good, though. It look funky donkey. I know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get back in this truck because as you can see, it's raining outside. It's raining outside, and I ain't trying to get soaked. You know what I mean? But hey, y'all stay blessed up. Y'all stay safe. You know, just believe in yourselves, man. I'm gonna slide up out of here, man. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe, and like I said, stay blessed up. Shout out to the Werewolf Pack. I love y'all for sure, man. We at 16. I said 16. We at 18,800. I love y'all. Y'all stay blessed up. Peace.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.